I love Yoruba people. Amen.
Amen.
But I have never do crusade in Yoruba land. For reasons. Amen. For reasons. The government in Yoruba land, like governor, they are always torment Igbo people. It hurt me when I see their properties are destroyed. Every demolition in the Yoruba or in Lagos is all about Igbo's property. That's why those things pay me. I love people, but I don't like tribalism things. I for do crusade many years ago in Yoruba land, but because my father in the Lord is a Yoruba person and he don't discriminate. TB Joshua is always gather everybody.
General.
But when it come for government, the government try to separate us. The wicked government people. And I want Igbo people. Another heavy demolition is coming again. Yeah. A lot of properties, a lot of estates shall be demolished again. The plan is going on in underground. Amen. We are the leaders of tomorrow. We have to be doing things very well. We are human beings, but politicians are causing confusion. That's why in election time of Tinubu, you will hear what the Yorubas are saying about Igbo. In that area, where is Igbo people type? They don't vote. The government making the Igbos and Yoruba people look like their enemy.
Exactly.
We are brothers.